Hi Jason, sorry to bother you. I have a question for you.
Okay, what's up?
I've been having a problem with my computer. I know you're an engineer, so I thought you might be able to help me.
I see. What's the problem?
I have a file that I can't open for some reason.
What type of file is it?
It's a Word document I've been working on. I need to finish it by tomorrow.
Were you able to open it before, on the computer you're using now?
Yes, I was working on it last night and everything was fine, but this morning I couldn't open the file.
Do you think your computer might have a virus?
No, I checked and there weren't any.
Okay, I'm not sure what's wrong. If it's possible, email the file to me and I'll see if I can get it to open.
Okay, I'll do that when I get home. Are you going to be around tonight?
Yeah, I'll be home after 8 p.m. Send it to me when you get a chance, and I'll call you later.
Hi George, do you know how to get downtown?
Sure. Why are you going there?
I want to buy a new computer.
Okay, are you driving?
Yes.
Go straight down this road. When you get to the second light, take a left. Then get on the highway and take exit 52.
That sounds really complicated. Can you tell me again? Which road do I take first?
You go down this road, then at the second light, turn left. That road is Main Street.
Okay, I think I've got it now.
Why are you buying a new computer anyway? Didn't you just get one a few months ago?
Yes, but it doesn't work anymore.
Where did you buy it?
At Wal-Mart.
I think your computer should still be under warranty. You can bring it back to them and they'll fix it for free.
I think you're right. I didn't think about that. I should go talk to them about it. Where is the closest Wal-Mart?
It's about 2 blocks from here. I have to go there to get some stuff now anyway. Do you want to follow me?
Sure,